Well, you can see our grapes here, and we've just got those little posts, these star pickets in, and they're just struggling along there, and we're going to put a couple of extra posts in because we're starting to get our first lots of little grapes in there. Now they are down very low, and we're just going to put some posts in and see if we can make it look a bit prettier and give them something to grow on. There we have it, got some pine posts, and we're just going to make up a little bit of a framework for these to sit in. So we're going to pull out those star pickets and that bit of wire and get started. Now we just got to drill some holes and get it started. So got roughly lined up where we want it to go, as long as we can keep it straight. It's the main thing. So we've got our power digger there. Rightio, that's all good to go. Let's see if we can line them up into there or so. And there we go. Nettie's just come in as well. Hey babe.
How you doing? Are you filming?
Yes.
I'm just taking my sock off. It's stuck under my boot. It's rubbing my foot.
There we go. Hole's dug, doesn't that make it easy?
So good. Don't mind me dropping in. That's cool. How good's that?
I know, it makes it so much easier. Wow, there we go. Well, that's worth its weight in gold, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. Definitely brilliant.
Oh.
This is going to be good. Let's go.
Rightio. We've got our holes dug out there, and there's one there, one here, and Nettie's just clearing out that one. Hey babe,
Hey, up. There we go. That's.
how'd you go?
I think that's done. Oh, I've got to get up. Look at my knees. They're covered in prickles.
Yeah, prickly.
A bit prickly.
It's alright, we'll get this in and then we can start looking after it a little bit more.
Yep.
You're nice and easy, hey? So what do you reckon, babe? Good
Yeah,
idea?
that's good. Yeah, no, it's good. I'm looking forward to getting it done, actually. It was just, yeah, when we were getting the poles, it was just sort of working out
Yeah.
how it was going to go, and I'm stoked. This is going to be great. And I'm just thrilled that these have survived. So now we need to give them the best.
Can you believe these cuttings that we took have literally survived? These are white muscat grapes.
Yeah, I have no idea how they've survived.
And yeah, they've survived through
the
4
worst
years of drought.
Yeah, it's just crazy, and I'm just thrilled.
They're
so
tiny, but they've survived.
Doesn't matter. So if we give them the best sort of home, we might get some grapes.
Yeah. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take our poles here. So these are just pine posts. We got them pretty cheap, so that is our plan: is to take these pine posts. We'll just make a frame that pretty much looks like that. We'll put it into the ground, and then we can put wires up for the grapes to grow on. Down here, this is a bit of old sump oil we had, and we just saved that on the side, just so we're putting these pine posts into the ground. We can dunk the ends into a bit of oil, just to give them a little bit of protection from the white ants and the other stuff. They are treated pine, but a little bit of extra is not going to hurt them, I don't think. And yeah, we're going to get into it. There we go. We're going to let that sump oil just soak into those logs for a few minutes, and then we'll put some up a little bit higher on them, and we're also going to tip some into the hole just so we're using up that oil, and yeah, try to protect the post a little bit. Here we have it. We've got those 3 posts in there all ready to go, and just like the fool I am, I forgot to press record on the time lapse, so you didn't get to see all of that.
You could have blamed me.
I could have blamed Nettie. Nettie's over there. How could I blame Nettie when she's over there standing in the shade?
I did the last post, so
That's what Nettie just yelled at. You could have blamed me.
it's alright. I don't mind, I can cough it.
So that's Nettie's post at the end there, so yeah.
Crooked.
It's alright, babe. We'll work around it. So it's only a frame for the grapes, so it doesn't really matter.
No, I was just standing in the shade. It's a bit hot today.
It is hot. How hot would it be today?
Oh, I don't know. I'm going to go check, but we might do the rest of this later.
No, I'll get this done now. I've only got to cut the tops in. So.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Excellent.
RYOBI chainsaw strikes again, eh? Now, we have been asked a couple of times why we use the RYOBI stuff, and we go on about it. In all honesty, I don't think it really matters which of the platforms you go with. We went with RYOBI because it was affordable, and these here we can charge off our solar panel system, so we actually we don't have to rely on petrol fuel and get small jobs done. So very cool. I think I had it the other way, didn't I? Make it difficult for myself. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Okay, you got the drill there, babe? I didn't cut these real straight.
That's alright. You can fix it up.
Yeah, okay. I'll just screw it in. More screws, more screws.
Should be right.
It's only for the grapes, so.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not straight at all, is it? That's terrible. How about I fix that?
That's what I said, can you fix it?
Yeah, we'll fix that. That's terrible. What was I doing? Have I been drinking?
That's why I said, do you want to fix it? He's like, no, she'll be alright.
She'll be right. No, I won't. That's terrible.
I was trying to be nice.
Oh, that's terrible, babe. And you're filming this. Oh.
Well, you can edit this bit
People
out.
will think less of me. No, no one could think less of me. Oh, that's funny. Yeah.
Smell that.
Hey?
The pine.
Yeah, it's fresh pine, isn't it? So, okay.
Ugh.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, hang on to it. Don't let it buck you off.
Oh, this is safe.
There you go. Look at that. That's why I married you. You're a good woman.
That's not on camera.
Didn't you film that?
No.
Oh, babe. You serious?
No, it's on camera, but I'm not on camera. Because that's why I stood there.
Oh, I thought you didn't film that.
No, that's why I stood
I
there.
thought that's funny.
But
You
out
should
of-
have been on camera.
No, that's why I said
Oh, gosh, you missed that.
Yeah.
Oh.
You would have seen your end, but not me. That's
Oh,
why
we
you
needed
told
to
me.
see you.
That's why I stood there.
That's why we needed to see you for
I
that.
can't even see the screen, but I just know I
And then he was
focused
up
it on
like
him.
this on his tippy toes trying to hold up. It's all about safety. Rightio. There we go. That's all in. Let that settle. We'll give it another ram later on, and then we're going to drill some holes and put some wires in. There you go. How good's that?
Perfect.
So here we have it. Here's our grapes on our little framework. Now it's not going to last forever. It's only a bit of pine, and it's just put in there roughly. So, but here's our grapes growing on the wire there, and you can see that that's put up to that wire, so that's going to sit there nicely. And we've got our little bunches of grapes just starting to come on in there. You see another one in there here as well. So hopefully that will take off if we get a little bit of rain. And over here as well, there you go, that one there will climb up. It'll give it 3 different strands to climb up, and hopefully they fill up this whole little area, because that would be fantastic.